It's crazy the height of these sandbags. And they built up the road on the other side. I'm assuming it's because for the pressure. And also so the water doesn't seep underneath the sandbags. And they had this road closed for probably about a week. Maybe it was even a week and a half. Look at the rocks. But yeah, I think they just opened this road yesterday, so I thought I'd come and take a look. They want you to drive pretty slow too. Only 30 kilometers max. And there's some portable dikes up there. Those the black tube-looking dikes. And that's about it.